Let's see how transport analysis tool works on the GISCARTA platform. For doing this, we will use one point layer with the lean subway stations. Here it is, and let's open our widget. So here we can see two options. First of all, we can create routes here, and secondly, we can create isochrons. We will start with the isochrons. We can call it service areas, and here we can see two ways for creating them. First of all, it's creating by layer. We can choose any point layer that we want. And the second one is create manually, so by clicking points on the map. Let's use the both of them. So let's choose Lyon metro stations. We can choose the transport mode by car, by bicycle, by foot. Let's choose by foot, for example. And let's create 5-minute service areas. Also, we can use layers filters, but right now we do not have them, so let's just click build. So as you can see, we have service areas around each point, and for each point we have 3 zones, 2, 3, and 5 minutes, and let's use only one of them. So right now it's much more prettier. So we have the resulting layer here with 44 polygons. We can turn it off, turn it on if we want. Also, let's add some points manually. For example, let's click add point and click here. So a new service area was created. And right now, this is just a temporal layer. And if it's okay for our purposes, we can save it to our data source. By clicking here, we can do it. We just need to create the title for this layer and click save. Right now, this is the part of our map. This is our layer. We can change any properties that we want in this layer. And let's see the second option in the transport analysis widget, and it is creating routes. So as you can see here, we can set only one parameter. It's transport mode. Let's choose, for example, by car, and let's add the point. For example, here, another here, and the third one, for example, here. We see 3 points. We can, for example, drag it. So the direction of the route was changed. And we can click here for some route details. So here you can see the list of all turns, for example, and so on. And right now, this is just a temporal layer, and we can add it to our project by clicking here, creating a title, for example, something like this, and clicking save. Right now, we can turn off our widget, and we have a layer in our project with different properties, styling, and so on. So, for example, you can click on each service area, you can click on your route, and this is the transport analysis widget on the GISCARTA platform.